In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the xinput1_3.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open any browser that you have on your Windows, and then in the search bar, type DirectX user runtime. Hit enter. Click on it, the DirectX end user runtime web installer. Scroll down and select the language that you prefer. So I'm going to go with English and click on the download button. After downloading it, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. And then double click on it. Close the remaining windows. Click on I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Wait for this to be installed. Okay, installation is completed. So after installing it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. The second thing is to again go open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Okay, so open any browser and then simply search for this one. Type X input, this one, X input 1_3.dll download and click on it. Now, once you're in the web page, just simply locate the download button that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. So check your system type, go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. And here you'll find your system type, this one. And click the download button that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. So we have here the 64-bit. So click on the download button. And that will be downloaded from here. So click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. And then right click on the folder and select extract all. Click on extract. And that will be extracted from here. Copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. And then navigate to this PC. Windows C drive. Locate Windows folder. Double click. And locate System32 folder. So you'll find the System32 folder. If you are a 64-bit Windows, click on System32. Now, if you are a 32-bit, click on SYS Wow 64. So I am a 64-bit. So I'm going to click on System32. Right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. Click on Continue. Once done, close the Windows. And then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.